Hey everybody, it's Neil, and my little puppy went to town on my wires and started just eating all my wires for the phones and stuff. So I got myself these new ones here. These ones here are like cloth covered, and you can see it came with a bag of 3 and there's only 2 left because my other one I have set up already. But I needed these here, and I figured I'd get 10-foot ones, so nice and long for my iPhone 16 Pro. And I've been using it, and it's been, am I untwisting this thing too much? Okay. And it's been working great. So so it's really good, and it's really flexible. Like sometimes you get those ones that have all those kinks all in them and stuff, but this one here is just nice and soft and fabric and stuff. So I'm actually gonna take this one. I'm going on a trip next week. So this will actually be good too, so I can charge my phone and plug it in. Depending on where the hotel has the plug, I'll still get 10 feet away to be able to have my phone in bed, because you know, that's what I do. I sit there and play on my phone all night. But they are USB-C to USB-C, and I've been using it for a few days on my couch in the other room. Works great, so this is good. This one here I'm going to be setting up in my bedroom, and then this one here will be going with me on the trip. So super cool. Love these cables. Thumbs up for sure.